Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Gcam APK and module are compatible with your Android version and device. Once confirmed, open your file manager and create a Gcam folder in internal storage, then add a config subfolder. This keeps files organized and accessible. Next, move the downloaded XML config into that configs folder. You do this now so the app can find it. Make sure file names are clear, and permissions allow Gcam to read storage before proceeding to load the config. You open Gcam and long press the black area beside the shutter button to bring up the config menu. This triggers file selection. Once you choose the XML file, tap Restore and allow the app to restart so settings apply. After it restarts, validate key parameters, exposure compensation, HDR plus mode, noise reduction, and lens selection to ensure the config matches your hardware. If something looks off, you can reload a different config or adjust in-app options before moving on to final tests. You finish by taking several test photos in different lighting conditions, low light, daylight, and portrait, to confirm performance. Once done, inspect for artifacts like blown highlights, color shifts, or crashing. Small issues often mean a mismatched config or conflicting in-app toggles. If severe problems persist, revert settings to default or try an alternate. XML optimized for your sensor. As a key troubleshooting tip, clear Gcam cache or reinstall the APK to resolve stubborn errors, and ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.